Amazing eruption of the Stromboli volcano. This was just today. As you can see, the volcano was erupting suddenly and created this huge fountain of the lava. And what is more interesting is the context of this eruption. This eruption happened in this situation, in this setting. Listen and watch. You could even hear the sound of the sonic boom of the eruption. I will play it again for you so you can listen to this right now. Of course, you can watch the volcanoes everywhere. In Iceland, you have to walk 20 kilometers. In Indonesia, you may get killed by it. But here, you can have your pizza and watch the volcano. That only happens in Italy. And this is the situation there. You have eruption during the day, dark ash cloud, and in the night, like as if fireworks. Beautiful fireworks. If you are lucky, you will be treated by that. This is part of the collision zone of the Africa and Eurasian plate. As you can see here, this is the African plate. And Italy is at the boundary of them. And where this happens, collision happens, one of the plates, this Mediterranean Tethys old plate, undergoes subduction, raises up as a volcano, as a mountain. And this is what you will see. Here's a volcano Stromboli. Usually erupts up toward the northwest. And this is the Mediterranean Sea. As you can see, the old remnants of the Tethys Ocean. And the resulting is this volcano, which has access to the water, and it creates, steam explosions. Very eruptive in that sense.